going on a ride, boys. Ew.
Rose gold seat on a fucking helicopter, double C, no Chanel, cause she's bad, bad, bad. Ride it, have a socket, I can cup you a new Rari, let you ride it, now you're rap, and you're bad, bad, bad. No plan, no Atari, I won't play with you for nothing, I can eat you like hibachi, cause you bad, bad, bad. I just took the doors, all the guinea, now I'm riding, and I'm sliding in the sideways, now she call me her zaddy. Rich nigga, shit up on my daddy, your new petty, got a model, got a thing, it gotta be, I'm got stacks, got
Post-production Cal here. I hate to do this to you guys, but before we get into the ride, I'd like to let you guys know why I haven't been uploading the past year, and I promise it'll be quick. But first of all, let's start with this. This was filmed in June of 2021, and it is now December of 2021, so it's been 6 months, and honestly guys, I've lost motivation for YouTube, and I can't say I've been trying my best because I'd be lying if I said that. But I just want you guys to know that I love every single one of you guys, and the fact that you guys are even still subscribed blows my mind. But just realize that I'm going through hard times with everything in my normal life, and I'm just trying to get everything situated. And also, you guys, school started, so videos won't be so often as normal or as cool as normal. The reason I'm editing this today is because it's winter break or Christmas break, and I actually have time, so I'm gonna edit this, post it for you guys, and beware, some interesting stuff happens in not only this video but the next video that's coming up. This is all filmed in Wyoming, and the next video that comes up sends me to the hospital. So most of you guys from my school already know, but it sends me to the hospital, and you guys are going to really enjoy the next video. So make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss that video. It's a banger. I promise you guys, it's such a good video. Back to the video.
Okay, boys, I don't know if y'all can hear me right now. I'm talking like kind of regular, but this bike, listen to it. It sounds good. I love it. That's Wyatt. There's our boy Cooper. Woo! It's beautiful out here. Yeah, bud. Hey, hey. Ding dong. What?
Man and Barnacle Boy, unite!
Yeah. So this is Cooper, that's Wyatt. I obviously meet Kale. Yeah, Coop! Woo! This tire looks wobbly, boys. Look at his tire! So boys, it's my first actual moto vlog. We live in Idaho. We actually just came out to, hold on, I'm gonna speed up. I'm gonna turn around. We live in Idaho. We actually just came out to Wyoming, for a family vacation today. Yeah, Cooper! He just learned how to ride his new dirt bike. I taught him a few weeks ago. We'll be going on a ride today, or tomorrow. So that'll be another moto vlog for you guys. This one won't be edited too much. The only thing that'll be done with it is just cut out and stuff.